press conference, and this is what the most of the tweets and most of the social media posts read on X. Back to you.
Thank you for joining me with all those details, Anand. And now moving on. Now, Prime Minister Modi is scheduled to inaugurate the PM Dhyan Dhanya Krishi Yojana shortly. Meanwhile, ahead of this major inauguration, which is slated to strengthen India's farmers, we're talking about the Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, a landmark initiative transforming India's agricultural landscape. The Prime Minister is now interacting with farmers on the ground. Now, this is a very, very important step in the direction that the Prime Minister is taking. So, we are going to get our viewers up to speed with all the details about this Krishi Yojana that the Prime Minister has launched, which will, of course, be a great step in the direction to transform India's agricultural landscape. And this will benefit farmers. And of course, these things that the Prime Minister is launching is very, very important because, so we are going to get our viewers all those details. I have my colleague Asavri Jindal with me. Now, Asavri, what more details can you get us on this Yojana that the Prime Minister has launched?
Absolutely. Of course, a big development taking place today for the farmers of India. It is a major move that's going to take place, the launch that we're expecting to take place very, very shortly. But before that, of course, the Prime Minister there on the ground speaking to farmers, trying to understand their needs, their concerns, and what exactly they feel about the PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Now, to just give an understanding on what exactly it is, there are two big launches that are going to take place today. One with a total cost of rupees 35,440 crores. And the biggest scheme is, of course, the PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, which is has a fund of rupees 24,000 crores. Now, according to the Prime Minister's office, of course, there is going to be a program that's going to be organized at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute in New Delhi. And, of course, the interaction with the farmers is underway as we speak. This program reflects the government's commitment to farmers' welfare, self-reliance in the agricultural sector and rural development. So, of course, a very critical detail that I'd like to put forth right now, like I said, this is going to be bolstering and strengthening India's farmers. Under this, crop storage systems will be improved at the panchayat and ground level. The irrigation facilities will be improved, and easy credit will be made available to farmers across 100 districts. That's a big development that is going to take place as soon as the launch takes place. Now, the scheme aims to increase agricultural production and encourage farmers to adopt modern and sustainable agriculture. And under this, better agreements will be made for safer storage of crops. At village and ground levels, irrigation facilities will be improved, and short and long-term loans will be made more accessible and available to the farmers on the ground. Like I said, those are live visuals coming in right now with, of course, the Prime Minister there speaking to the farmers. We can, of course, see those lovely visuals there right on our screens. Back to you.
Thank you for all those details, Asavri. And now moving on, I have my reporter Manohar Kesri with me. Now, Manohar, as Asavri was mentioning, crop storage is a major agenda here. And we are showing our viewers all those visuals on their screens. What more details can you give us?
देखिए बिल्कुल आज किसानों के लिए काफी ऐतिहासिक दिन है और दीपावली से पहले प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जो हैं किसानों को ये हजारों करोड़ रुपए की सौगात दे रहे हैं, जिनमें से अगर हम बात करें तो दो जो मेजर स्कीम है पीएम धन धन योजना और दूसरा जो है दलहन आत्मनिर्भर मिशन, इसके तहत अगर हम बात करें तो आने वाले टाइम में किसानों को काफी ज्यादा फायदा होगा, खास करके अगर हम बात करें तो छोटे छोटे किसानों का, क्योंकि पीएम धन्य धान योजना के तहत जो है 124,000 से ज्यादा करोड़ देने जा रहे हैं, आवंटित हुए हैं, जिसके तहत 100 ऐसे देश भर के डिस्ट्रिक्ट होंगे जहां पर प्रोडक्शन कम होता है, वहां प्रोडक्शन कैसे बढ़ाया जाए, किस तरह से किसानों को वहां स्वावलंबी बनाया जाए, उन्हें आत्मनिर्भर बनाया जाए। और दूसरी अगर हम बात करें तो दलहन जो आत्मनिर्भर मिशन है, इसके तहत MSP जो है 100% से ज्यादा में सरकार खुद खरीदी दलहन को, और दलहन का पैदावार इससे बढ़ेगा, किसानों को सपोर्ट मिलेगा। इसके अलावा 11 ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट हैं किसानों से जुड़े, चाहे वो AI बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स हों या फिर इरिगेशन से रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स हों या गुडान की हम बात करें, तो इन सब को लेकर के प्रधानमंत्री इनका शिलान्यास और उद्घाटन करने जा रहे हैं, और साथ ही साथ किसानों से भी बात करेंगे, किसानों को भी संबोधित करेंगे। जी
मनोहर, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और सारी जानकारी के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Now moving on, now a medical student has reportedly